Want this shake? Edit in CapCut? Get your clips after you're done adding beats and add this speed graph. Now crop your clip to fit the beat. Click Smooth Slow Motion, then choose Better Quality. Do this for all clips. After you're done adding speed graph to all clips, now it's time to add shakes. Go to Effects and add the shake effect. Crop it to fit your whole clip, then object it to all videos. Now add keyframes like me and copy my settings. On clips that are more than 0.7 seconds, make sure to add the last keyframe before the clip ends, just like I'm doing. Now add this custom graph. Copy the effect and replace it with a bleak blur. Now add keyframes just like me and copy my settings. If you guys don't want all your shakes to look the same, just change rotate on the keyframes when you add the effect to different clips. You don't need any specific rotation settings, you just need to play around with it until you like how it looks. Here, I'm just changing rotation to my liking. Between the 4 first keyframes, make sure that the 2 in between has the same rotation settings, and the 2 end ones should have the same rotation settings as well. Now copy, shake effect and do exactly what I do. Now copy, blur 15 times. And then copy the first shake one more time and let it stay. Now just apply the shake to all clips. Here I'm just changing the rotate setting because I don't want it to look the same as the first clip. You don't have to change the setting for every single clip. Just copy one from one of the previous clip and just place it on your clip you want it on. For short clips like this, the last keyframe should be at the end of the effect. Now copy an effect and adjust it at the end of the first clip like I do. Then replace that effect with zoom lens. Now adjust it like I do, and then add keyframes just like me, and copy my settings and graphs. Now get the wide angle effect. Copy my keyframes and settings. Add the same custom graph you added on the end of the zoom lens effect. Now just copy the effect until you're satisfied. Then add this transition. You can add that effect where you want, but I suggest you add it on longer clips. If you have two short clips at the same place, you can do this to get a cool effect. Add this graph. Then you can copy the wide angle effect until you're satisfied and add the pull-out transition where it is. On shorter clip like this, where you can't make the blur too long, do this. Copy, shake, effect, and do what I do. Now copy the blur 15 times. Now add the bad TV effect. Set object to all videos, then copy my keyframes and my settings. Crop it like me. Add this custom graph. Then copy it around 3 or 4 times. Use this effect at the hard beats. Now let's add CC. This overlay and many more are in my Discord, the link is in my description. Put it where the edit starts, where you want the CC. Now just add everything the same way and order that I do. I highly suggest that you guys add quality before doing this. I'll drop the link to my quality tutorial in the description. Add the black flash to effect. Object it to the overlay. Now copy my settings. Now export it in the highest settings. Now open Node Video and add your edit you just exported. Now add the glow effect and copy my adjustments. Now add this custom resolution. Turn up FPs to 60 and export it. Now add your edit back to CapCut. Add your audio and beats. Now split your video where the edit starts. Replace the starting clip with one that doesn't have the CC on it. Now copy your edit to loop it if you want. Now just follow my steps to get the ghost effect. Add keyframes at the start and end of the overlay, then zoom in on the last keyframe. Then apply the cubic out graph. Now add the fade out animation. Now copy it and move it where your edit loops. Now add this overlay that is in my Discord. Add keyframes at the start and at the end of the overlay and zoom in a bit on the last keyframe. Now go to opacity and copy my keyframes and my settings. Add this overlay at the hard beats. Now let's add panning to our edit. Start by adding the play pendulum effect. Copy my settings. Now add rebound swing. Now add camera shake. Use these settings. Go to layers and put the halftone overlay in front of everything else. Now do what I do to get the text at the start. Add a wide overlay and adjust it like me. Now write your text. Choose your font. Change text color to black. Adjust it how you want it. Now make it as long as the white overlay. Add keyframes like me and slide them up out of frame on the last keyframes. Add pull-out transition where the edit starts and at where it loops. Now you can add these at the start of the edit if you want, but you don't have to. And you're done.